Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisa, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked to down below in the description, and let's get right into the video. Right now, all I'm doing is removing her previous set, which you might have seen. It is literally my previous video right before this one, my previous nail video. And all I'm doing is removing her top coat as well as her glitter. And then after that, I will go ahead and fill in her little crack that she has. Then I'll go in with her gel polish. I also went ahead and gave her a little bit of a reshape just because she said it was getting a little bit too ovally and she wanted it a little bit more almond slash stiletto like, with it still being pretty short. So I went ahead and changed the lighting a bit because my previous video was too bright. Like I couldn't see anything. And my mom was talking about, oh, I liked it. It was good for me. Mind you, I could not see when I was watching the video back on YouTube. Like I was like, what is going on? So I made sure that the brightness was not too bright for this video. Right now, all I'm doing is removing any of that top coat around her cuticle area, and I can get in much better with this. And then I also thinned it out a little bit down there because her nails are going to grow out pretty soon. And here I am sharpening her shape. And after this, I will go in with some dehydrator and some primer and go ahead with her acrylic application. Here I am going in with some Mia Secret dehydrator. Then I'm going in with some, this is like some bonder. I could not find my Nail Like Lucy primer. And I went in with a rather dry bead of acrylic just to make sure it was going in that little crack, and I didn't want it to be too much because also if it's like way too thick, then it's just gonna like mess up the nail. And I decided to go in and fill another side of her nail that I felt like was missing. I just feel like this part right here was missing a lot, especially this is her nail that is the most damaged, so I wanted to make sure that she still had something because she would have started for me a little crack if I didn't add some right there. I went ahead and wiped off her nails before I started doing this hand. Okay, so now her other hand is ready for me to continue to prep. This is in real time, and I'm only doing this over the ones I applied acrylic on, so only her middle finger and her index finger. After that, I will go in with her gel polish after I buff. So now this hand is caught up with the other hand. I'm pretty sure I already applied the gel polish on the other hand. And after this, so I only buffed this hand. I did not buff the other hand. And you can clearly tell. So every time I try and skip buffing, it never works out for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave in me buffing. And that was in real time, just so you can see how long I really take. And then I always use a cleanup brush and some acetone, because every time I don't, a little bridge of gel polish gets formed somehow, some way. And the polish starts to lift and peel a little bit, but doesn't fully peel off. So always clean it up. It just makes everything look so much better. And her nails look so much more professional when I clean them up and really make sure that there is nothing. And when I say nothing, I mean nothing left on her skin. And so all I'm going to do is cure this for a full 60 seconds in my lamp. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat and then add some top coat, and then we are all done. Can remove the excess with like your brush by like running it across, or with like some gloves, but do not touch the wet gel polish. You can get allergies from that. Now I'm going in with the top coat. This is Beetle's top coat, and you cure it for 120 seconds. You can cure it for 90. I do 120. I feel like it looks shinier when you do it for 120. So that's just what I do. And I like to make sure the gel polish is fully cured. After this, I will go ahead and add some cuticle oil. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I linked to down in the description. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.